Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to connect a custom domain to your GitHub Pages site. Let's get right to it. First, you need to tell GitHub which domain you're using. Open your repository, click Settings at the top, and select Pages from the left menu. Scroll down to the Custom Domain section, type in your domain name, and hit Save. This automatically creates a CNAME file in your repository. Do not delete that file or your site will break. Next, you need to configure your DNS records with your provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. You need to create 4 A records to point your domain to GitHub. Point your @ symbol to the IP addresses. This tells the internet exactly where your files are hosted. Then, set up a CNAME record to handle the www version of your site. Set the host to www and the points to value to your GitHub username .github.io. This ensures that no matter how someone types your URL, they end up on your homepage. Finally, give it some time to propagate. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a full day. Once the status on your GitHub settings turns green, make sure you check the box to enforce HTTPS. This gives your visitors a secure connection and that professional padlock icon in the browser. And that's it. Your custom domain is officially live. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.